Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the workbook of chapter number 13, the rock cycle, rocks and weathering. Question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. First statement, intense pressure and rapid cooling changes sedimentary rock into metamorphic rocks. This statement is true. Second statement, the longer it takes for hot rocks to cool, the smaller crystals produced in the rock. This statement is false. Third statement, magma and lava are the same things. When cooled, a rock called pumice is formed. This statement is true. Statement number 4, marble is a metamorphic rock made when very hot magma comes into contact with sandstone. This is false statement. Statement number 5, the rock cycle goes round and round. It has no end. This is true statement. Question number 2, choose the correct option. First statement, which of these is not a sedimentary rock? Option A, basalt, B, conglomerate, C, sandstone, D, shale. The correct option is A, basalt. Statement number 2, why is limestone a special kind of sedimentary rock? Option A, it is made from colored sediments that changes color when it becomes rock. Option B, it is made from the bones and shells of dead sea creatures. Option D, it is pure white in color and never changes. Option D, it is very resistant to weak acid. Correct option is B, it is made from bones and shells of dead sea creatures. Statement number 3, which of the following is a metamorphic rock? Option A, basalt, B, granite, C, marble, D, sandstone. Correct option is C, marble. Statement number 4, in what state is the rock that comes out of volcanoes? Option A, liquid, B, gas, C, solid, D, none of the above. Correct option is A, liquid. Statement number 5, which is the correct order of the events in the rock cycle? Option A, igneous rocks, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, magma. Option B, magma, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. Option C, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, magma. Option D, sedimentary rock, magma, igneous rock, metamorphic rock. Correct option is B, magma, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. Question number 3, there are 3 main types of rock: igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. Part first, A, which type of the rock is formed when tiny bits of rock pile up for millions of years and are compacted? The answer is sedimentary rock. Part B, hot liquid rock cools and hardens. Answer is igneous rock. Part C, other rocks are subjected to high temperature and pressure. Answer is metamorphic rock. Part 2, what type of rock is? A, sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock. B, granite. Granite is igneous rock. Options part C, slate. Slate is a type of metamorphic rock. Question number 4, below are 3 columns with separate headings. Write these examples of weathering under the correct heading. Number 1, rabbits digging burrows under a rock causing it to collapse. Stalactite forming in a limestone cave. Gales blowing sand across the surface of a stone pillar. Water creeping into cracks in a rock face and freezing. Granite being broken down to form china clay. A tree growing out of a crack on a rock face. Under the physical weathering, the statement that water creeping into cracks in a rock face and freezing. Second, gales blowing sand across the surface of a stone pillar. The examples of chemical weathering are stalactite forming in a limestone cave, granite being broken down to form china clay, rabbit digging burrows under a rock causing it to collapse, and a tree growing out of a crack on a rock face are the examples of biological weathering. Two young boys are kicking a football against a crumbling stone wall. Part A. What sort of weathering is this? The answer is physical weathering. Part B. Explain your answer. The answer is it is a similar physical action to that caused by wind, water and ice. Thank you.